Not to be racist or anything, but Asian people.
Yo, what up?
Can you take your shoes off, please?
We good. Hey man, thanks for having us though. God bless.
This is why we don't hang out together.
What up, nigga? One rep.
Fuck, grab that bitch.
About tripping stick. Oh, the police.
What?
What's your rolling window gonna do? That's not gonna help us.
Hello, mate. Is the van outside now? Good, good. Well, as soon as she leaves, tie her up and put her in the back, okay? Yeah. It's the one with the red coat on. Yeah. She's standing next to me now.
Yo, Matt is the shit. Get. Hey.
I may not have the biggest boobs or the biggest butt, but what I do have is a big ass fucking forehead.
I got something to tell
I
you.
have to tell you something too.
At the same time.
I
think
won
we
the
should break
lottery.
up.
What'd you say?
I said take up a yoga class. Nigga, we made
Broke ass bitches.
Go. I'm trying, bro.
Hey, how you guys doing?
Woo, this chili about to be good.
Wait.
I smell chili.
I gotta go pee.
What the fuck? What? A bitch can't get no chili.
47, 35th. Wild Honey. Let's get it. Bitch. Turn to the left. Right foot kick. Left foot kick. Bop. Let's do this one more time. Kick to the right. Kick to the left. Now bop. Bitch. I'm gone.
LeBron James.
Fuck the word that. It's I have. It's toes on point, bitch.
Okay.
Hey, look at that.
Oh shit. Goal! This nigga just made a goal. Oh my god, this nigga just made a goal from the 5-point line. I fucking love Michael Jordan. This nigga just made a goal. Yo, that was the craziest slam dunk I ever seen in my life. Lord goodness. Oh, save my pussy. You gonna be my baby? Oh no.
Anthony, come on.
Up, got your ass. Bring your fast ass up in.
That is freaking epic.